Welcome. If you're someone who loves capturing moments with your phone, you probably know how important it is to back up those photos and videos safely. Dropbox's camera uploads feature makes it super easy to keep your memories secure in the cloud, but by default, it only uploads photos. Today we're going to show you a quick and simple way to include videos in your camera uploads on Dropbox, so nothing gets left behind. First, open the Dropbox app on your phone and head over to the Camera Uploads section. This is where all your photos usually get uploaded automatically. Next, you'll want to locate the settings within this section. Depending on your device, this could be represented by a gear icon or might be found through a menu in the Camera Uploads page. Once you're inside the settings, look for the Camera Uploads option itself. This is where you control exactly what gets uploaded. Here comes the important part. You'll see a toggle switch labeled Include Videos. By default, this is usually turned off to save space and data, but when you switch it on, Dropbox will start uploading both your photos and videos together. Activating this feature means every video you capture with your camera will be backed up automatically, giving you that extra peace of mind, knowing your clips are safe and accessible anywhere. Keep in mind that videos can take longer to upload and use more data, so it might be a good idea to be connected to Wi-Fi when you toggle this on. That's all it takes. Simply opening Dropbox, navigating to Camera Uploads, going into Settings, and toggling on Include Videos will make sure your entire camera roll, photos and videos alike, are safely stored in Dropbox. It's a small change with a huge impact, especially if you want to preserve those special moments beyond just pictures. Thanks for watching.